ang among mga serbisyo sa DOLE, this would be amo ni siya mabahin sa formal o sa informal. Pero cross-cut gihapon din siya. Cross-cutting lang yun din siya because it's applicable to non-ELCAC, applicable to ELCAC identified barangays. Now, on the other end, ang among ikapasigarbo usab, mauning sa amo ang DOLE Integrated Livelihood and Emergency Employment Program, which is bahinon sa di siya namo sa kabuhayan or the livelihood program and the very famous TUPAD or emergency employment. So, kaning duha gyud ka programa mao gani siya murag endemic ngadto sa atong mga ELCAC identified barangays because ever since this ELCAC group had been identified or formed, the DOLE has been there. We had provided livelihood assistance to specific barangays na ELCAC identified through their associations and their individual members. By the way, for this year, we have a total now of 76.6 million TUPAD allocation as of yesterday at 5 p.m. So our figures are changing constantly because additional funds may come at any time during the day. And we have placed about 7,000 beneficiaries for that. So for the DILP as well, in the last 3 years, na implement nga around 8.8 million specifically for those ELCAC identified barangays, benefiting about 1,197. So these programs, these are really additional or standard programs of the DOLE. So as of this time, we are currently working with our partners where the funds are being allocated to, and we'll lobby with them because ever since this ELCAC was incepted, we have been directed to prioritize ELCAC barangays. Mga former rebels na to. In fact, we have even provided recent assistance to 4 former rebels from Shaton Town at 120,000 pesos for the entire funding to fund their egg production.